At the sorbent plant, they're cutting parquet. The name is confusing. It's not for floors, but for walls or ceilings. This is the parquet with the standard white finish. Essentially, it is polyester fiber that has undergone many smoothing processes to make it aesthetically pleasing. The planks can be glued to walls or ceilings. And we have 9 sizes, so you can create your walls and ceilings with various different designs, unique patterns, and different patterns to best suit your environment. Here is the laser mark before cutting. With the acoustic parquet, you can correct the acoustics of your spaces, reducing reverberation or echo and noise in environments such as restaurants, offices, or even at home. For example, to improve the acoustics of a home theater system, or simply to lower the noise generated by children. I have 2 kids, and when they make a racket, having the absorbent back panel at home makes a big difference for the family's well-being and health. Good acoustics to everyone, and see you in the next video. Thanks. See you soon.